pocket for our moral safety card.
This May 27, 2025, get ready for Lahi, the De La Salle Pa Tourism Fest. Join our stars as they celebrate Filipino culture, tourism, and hospitality.
Tumayong buong tapang harapin ang buhay at kapin ang tagumpay. Tulungan ang kapwa at bigyang halaga, wag hatakin ng pababa. Isipin wag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan. Magandang bukas, ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa lubungin ng kinabukasan.
See you at De La Salle Pa Tourism Fest 2025. Don't miss out on the magic on May 27 at De La Salle Pa Centrum.